Number 2, does lobuloplasty hurt? Lobuloplasty is a virtually painless procedure. Your earlobe will be completely numb throughout the surgery, so you won't feel a thing. The day of your procedure, after meeting with your surgeon, we will inject lidocaine, which is a numbing agent. Lidocaine works immediately, and you should only feel one small needle poke initially. One of the many benefits of a lobuloplasty is that it's as close to pain-free as you can get. It has minimal downtime, and it's budget-friendly. For more related advanced answers, select one of these videos, and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos, live surgery footage, real patient experiences, demonstrations, and so much more. You can also contact me at hope@351face.com with additional topics that you would like to explore. We'll see you in the next video.